everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will learn how to fix Frigidaire ER FA error. This error means the freezer fan is not working properly. This can cause warm freezer temperature and forced buildup. The control has detected a problem with the freezer evaporator fan's circuit. Freezer fan is blocked by forced or ice. Defrost the system failure, wiring or connector issue, defective freezer fan motor, or main control board issue. Let's see how to fix the error step by step. Verify the error code. Use the control panel to confirm the error. Write down the error in case you need to service. Reset the Frigidaire. Unplug the freezer from the power outlet. Wait 5 minutes. Plug it back. Then check for forced buildup. Open the freezer and locate the real panel. Remove the panel and check for heavy frost or ice. Manual defrost. Leave the freezer door open. Let the ice melt completely in 24 hours. Place towel to absorb water. Do not use a heater or sharp object. Also check the freezer fan. After defrosting, spin the fan blade by hand. It should spin freely, reconnect power. Then check fan connectors. Inspect the fan connectors behind the rear panel. Make sure it plugs in the tightly. Then look for loose or damaged wires. Unplug power before checking the connectors. Step 7. Check defrost system. Inspect defrost heater, defrost thermostat and wiring. Use a multimeter to test if need. A failure defrost system can cause a ice buildup and error. Is error still present? If the error returns, the fan motor or main control board may be faulty. Contact Frigidaire service for repair. Professional diagnosis is recommended for this error. Here are the 2 tips for this error. Let's see important notes. Do not use knives or sharp tools to remove ice. Wait 24 hours if there heavy ice buildup. If the fan is defective, it must be replaced. After the fix, verify the error code is clear. Confirm freezer fan is running. Close the panel securely. Then monitor performance for 48 hours. If you find any error, you can also go to the official website for more help. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.